Welcome. Today, we're going to walk you through the simple process of changing your gender to female on Facebook. Whether you're updating your profile to better reflect who you are or just making adjustments, this guide will help you get it done quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to update. Once the app is open, navigate to your profile by tapping on your name or profile picture. Next, look for the option labeled See Your About Info on your profile page and tap on it. This will take you to a section where you can view and edit various details about yourself. Now, scroll down until you find the Basic Info section. Under this section, locate the Edit button and tap it. This is where you'll be able to make changes to your gender settings. In the Gender section, select Female from the available options. If you'd like, you can also explore other options such as Male, Custom Genders, or even adjust how visible this information is on your timeline. Finally, once you've made your selection, don't forget to save your changes by tapping the Save button at the bottom of the screen. And that's it. Your gender has been successfully updated to female on Facebook. Thank you for tuning in today. If this guide helped you, feel free to share it with others who might find it useful. Have a great day.